Hello guys, this is Vishnu and welcome back on the Price Action Trader. So today is expiry day and today I will sell options because on expiry days it is more beneficial for selling options for the reason of time decay. Because of time decay most of the time and always option premium gets reduced as per time passes, and if it is OTM option then it will become zero at the end of the day on the expiry days. So as you can see on the screen, I have already sorted Nifty put option. If you know the basics of option selling, then you know by selling put option I am bullish on the market. And the reason of my being bullish trade is because on Bank Nifty there was supply zone yesterday, market crashed from there, and that zone was already tested 2 to 3 times. And even today you can see market was open gap up from the last closing point. So last from the closing point it is gap up, and as you see the first candle on Nifty chart is a bullish pin bar kind of candle, although its body is a bit of red color, but still it is a bullish pin bar candle because of high wicks on the downside. Sellers initially tried to take control of the market by selling, but buyers were more powerful than sellers. So today I am bullish. I am having a bullish mindset today. So I have sold put option. And if you know more about day trading strategies, then you can join my webinar. I have provided my email ID in the link in the description. You can mail me there and join my day trading webinar. And also if you want to open a Zerodha and Upstocks Demat account, then link is given in the description. So today I have not taken any pattern based trade. I have total 15 to 16 pattern which I take trade on basis on those patterns. But today I have taken a directional trade. See, on the expiry day, if your direction is right, then you can earn money easily. There is a 66% chance of earning money if you are an option seller, because today most of the OTM options are going to be zero at the end of the day. So if your direction is right, suppose you are a bullish today like me, so you can sold out of the money put option, and if you are a bearish then you can sold out of the money call option. Because if your direction is right, out of the money become more out of the money, it will become deep out of the money, and the end of the day it will become zero. Like today we are going to see, as per my analysis market will be bullish today, and whatever options I have sold till now will become zero. So the most important part of the trading is risk reward. You should always follow risk to reward, minimum 1 is to 2 risk reward. 1 is to 2 risk reward means if 1 rupee is your risk, 1 rupee is your stop loss, then you should aim for at least 2 rupees profit. This is the only holy grail in the trading. You can't make money without following the risk reward. If you are following the risk reward of 1 is to 2, then 50% of the success rate is more than enough to make you profitable trader. Just think about it. I'm not talking about 90%, I'm not talking about 80%. I'm just talking about 50% win rate. And you know, if you have a strategy, if you have some pattern, then 50% win rate is not a big deal. It can easily achievable, because if something is not giving a even a 50% of success rate, then it is not basically not an pattern. It basically doesn't have any edge. So if you have any system, it should have edge, and win rate is 50% is mostly achievable. And second most important thing in trading is your psychology. Don't get fear by big red or big green candles. Suppose you have taken a bullish trade and you are seeing red candle in your direction, or two consecutive or three consecutive candles in red candles in your direction, then you should get scared and you should square off your position, which is your mistake. Because whenever you squared off your position, from that point market will be bullish and will be give your desired targets and even more of that. Not just 2 hour, it will give you 3 hour or 4 hour, and you will repent after all. Same in the same way, if you are a bearish in the market, you have taken a short trade and you are seeing a green candle after your trade, you will get scared and square up position, and same thing happens. Market will reverse from there and give you a good profit after your exit. So you have to decide what is your profit target, what is your loss before entering the trade. Don't think about you should consider your stop loss and profits after taking the trade. It has to be calculated before taking the trade. As they say, plan your trade and then trade your plan. What it means? It means first you have to plan your trade, how you are going to enter, at which point you should enter, and at which point you should exit, what will be your stop loss, what will be your profit target, and you should strictly follow those things. If your stop loss is going to hit, don't increase your stop loss to some other point in the hope of market will reverse. No, book your stop loss whenever it reaches your stop loss. And the same way, if your profit is 2 hour, then you should book your profit at 2 hour only. Don't get greedy, don't get increase your profit targets, because from 2 hour you will increase your profit target to 3 hour and 4 hour. Market will give even a 3 hour, then what will happen? Market will reverses and hit your stop losses, and you will repent like your initial profit target 2 hour was given, even 3 hour was given, and you have not booked your profit and your stop loss hit. So in trading they say it is not just entry, it is exit also, which is important. By just knowing where to enter is not enough, you should know where to exit as well. Timely booking of profit is also important. In the market it is not hard to earn money, it is not hard to earn profit. The hardest thing is to keep that profit with you. Most of the time people make profits, but next day or next trade they lose all their profits, even their capital. So it is very important to preserve your profits as well, because whatever your profit is, it is not your profit now, it is your capital. You should consider it as you should consider that thing as your capital, not as a profit. Because if you think that thing as a profit, then you will gamble on it. You will think like, okay, it was not my money, it was money of the market, and I can take risky trades. So avoid thinking like this. You should consider your profit as your capital, right? So as you guys can see, I am going from little profit to little losses, and from little profit, but I am not exiting my trade. My target is here at least more than 1 hour, because I am option seller here today, and I am not expecting much here. So 1 hour is enough. If I will get more than 1 hour, then I will exit, and I will take further trade as well. If there is some value in any other premium, OTM premium, then I will sold those as well. So guys, if you have any feedback regarding my videos, like my if you want more analysis video, then you can let me know. Or if you want some changes in video presentation, then you can also comment in the comment box, and I will consider those feedback as well. And as you can see, mostly I trade in single lot only. It is not about taking big trades and making big money, and again taking big trade and making big losses. Small but consistent profit is more important. If your profit is small, that is no problem, but it should be consistent. Because if you are earning money someday 12,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, and another day you are losing 40,000, 60,000, 2 lakh you are losing, then it is not a trade. You are just gambling in the market. Obviously you will lose money. There is nothing 100% like you always earn money. You will lose money, but end of the day you should be end of the month you should be profitable, and at least you should achieve 50 to 60% success rate. And there should be some consistency in your trading. Okay, I know nobody can predict the market, nobody can win, nobody can earn money always, but still, if you are a trader, if you are a professional trader, then there should be some consistency in your profits. And if you are consistent, then it will make you confident. And if you have confidence, then definitely you can trade better, because negative mindset always results in losses. So guys, let's see how this all trades are going to work. So I have increased the speed to 4x, and I have cut many part of this video because it was getting too lengthy. So please keep watching, and we will meet at the end of this video. So guys, now I have exited all my trades. You can consider subscribing this channel and share this video as much as possible if you like it. And if you want to learn the trading, if you want to learn how to trade intraday, then you can consider joining my webinar. The email ID is given in the description. You can contact me there. So guys, thanks for watching.